Hello all, this video is a bit different to the ones I'd usually put out there. If anyone has these in their house, they will know they're an absolute nightmare. So this is the Gledhill Boilermate A-Class OV, I think it's a BMA 185 this one. And they're quite similar to a heated cylinder. And what they do is they provide the hot water and the central heating in the house. So basically this is served by a boiler. The boiler pumps water to this, and then this distributes it around the house for either central heating or hot water, domestic hot water. Now the issue I'm having is I've got heating, I've got heat from the heating, but I've not got hot water. Now by process of elimination, I'm presuming that F there means there's a fault. There's a sequence you can do for some troubleshooting, so I'm going to do that shortly. But in the meantime, this pumps hot water to this heat exchanger, and it's similar sort of principle behind I think it's I can't remember the proper name for now. It's not an immersion heater, but anyway, it's a cylinder that's got a coil in it. Boiler pumps hot water through the coil and it warms up the water in the tank. Now on this, hot water from the boiler is pumped around a heat exchanger, and fresh water's pumped around, and in there is to transfer the heat from the heating, or from the boiler should I say, to the hot water. And it's this pump that pumps hot water to the heat exchanger. Now this pipe is hot. This pipe here is not, so it's not getting past that, which is why I'm presuming this is broken. But I will have a look and I will update you what I find. So I just thought I'd update you all. My assumption was correct. It was the domestic hot water pump that pumps water from the cylinder to the heat exchanger to heat up the water that passes through. It's a really simple job. All you'll need is a towel, because some water will come out, a large Phillips head screwdriver to get the screws of the inspection panel off. You will need a flat bladed screwdriver to open the inspection cap on the pump itself, and then once you've got that off, you can get your screwdriver into the pump, another Phillips head but of a smaller size, just to free up the impeller in the pump itself. Hope this helps. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to get in touch, leave a comment, and I will try my best to help you. Thank you very much.